Hello, my name is Yuriy, I'm from Technical Prospects, and today's tip is about resetting their stand control module in all mechanical controllers by just very simple action from the operator side, and after the reset, system will be working again like normal. The quick reset of the stand control module and the whole RTC and RTIS NGO system can be performed just simply pressing program 1 and program 2 in the stand control module and pressing the emergency button underneath. You hear some clicks happening, you release back the emergency switch, remove your fingers from program 1 and program 2, and after 10-15 seconds you will hear the brakes coming back, and that means system is ready for the normal operation again. I hope it was helpful for you and you will use it in your daily life. And for more tips, please visit technicalprospects.com resource tab.